It's not a turnaround.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. We're going to do a little 12-minute video here. We're driving over in Oak Ridge area, seeing what kind of snow we got over here. We got the roads pretty well cleared off the main highways, but the back roads are not clear at all. They didn't even touch the back roads. But we'll be off this road here in about 4 miles here. And we'll check some of this out over here. Sorry, it's a little noisy. I'm in my Jeep here. Because our roads over in Kodak over there was really bad. So I couldn't even get my truck out. Not the one I needed. I could have got the other big truck out if I wanted to, but I figured the Jeep's easier to get around the snow and the icy roads. Pretty mountain up ahead. You can see the snow up on top of it. Off in the distance there. Pretty snow-covered banks there. At least we got a sun-filled day. Temperature's 19 degrees though. Wind chill's about 10. Or a little colder than that, they said. Got a Faith Promise Church up there on the hill. Snow falling out the trees there. Yeah, this was a good winter storm we got here in Great Smoky Mountains anyway, along Tennessee, state of Tennessee and Kentucky there. We got about 8 inches over in Kodak. But yeah, Oak Ridge over here, it's a beautiful little area over in this area. Great place to bring a family up over here. And you're about 45 minutes from Pigeon Forge. But yeah, all these snow-covered pine trees are beautiful. See that mountain up ahead as you go on this hilltop here. Cars off there, stranded. There's a lot of stranded cars along the roads, and there's probably about 9 on the other side. Here's one here in the ditch. Yeah, there's about 9 cars piled up over on the other side, and there's some of them like fresh. There's 2 here. That was a Paw Patrol car. We're on the Oak Ridge Highway right now. Gas is sitting around $2.67 a gallon. Got about 8 minutes on the drive here. If I wouldn't have looked up, I'd have hammered that truck. I was looking at the side view mirror there. House for sale. I just figured I'd bring you some extra road sided back roads anyway here with the snow while we got it. So I'll have you some more videos as the week goes too. I guess we got more snow coming in Thursday night into Friday too. It ain't gonna be as big as this one was. We might get an extra inch to 3 inches on top of it. All Ridge Park and Warren River. showing driveways and stuff. I guess it's some lotion on my hands. We're gonna need to clean those windows a little bit. Here. Snow in the medium there. Yeah, the snow's pretty thick in the yards here. Yeah, them pine trees look beautiful, all that snow on. Looks like Christmas time. But we're way past Christmas. But January in the Smokies. guys for watching. Don't forget, there's going to be more of these videos coming up, so don't forget to watch them when they come up. You guys have a blessed day, and thanks for watching again, okay? God bless you. There's going to be ice covered side roads here. See, as you can tell, they don't touch these side streets. Wait for Mother Nature, I guess.